Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make images move in Capcut Mobile. So launch your Capcut, make sure that you're using the latest version of your Capcut application, tap new project, and then import the image that you want to use here in your editing. So after you have import the picture here, what you're going to do next is you have to tap the area where you want to add your keyframe and where you want the movement to start. So for example, I want to start the movement right here. Tap this one, click this add keyframe, move a little bit where you want to end this or you want to end the movement. For example, this part right here, and then add keyframe. Now between these two keyframes, you can change the movement of the photo. You can zoom it in or zoom it out. So basically, that's how you make images move in CapCut. After that, you can add another keyframe, and then from that, you can now add again another effect, or you can change the movement of the picture, and then add another keyframe where you want to end the movement. So for example, this one right here, I'm going to add a new keyframe and I want to add the effect right here. And then let's just say between, I want to zoom in the image. So the result would be like this. So basically, that's how you make images move in CapCut Mobile. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to see more content like this and tutorials like this. See you again in our next video.